So wondering on how to solve this maths problem. Let's take the shortest time possible, so now work it out as a solution. So this one is what we are having. So we are having 7 to the power of a plus 7 to the power of a is equals to 280. So the first step is to factorize 7 to the power of a into bracket 1 add to 1 is equals to 280. Then the next thing now is to work out the bracket. That is 1 plus 1 is 2 is equals to 280. So divide both sides by 2 so that now we remain with 7 to the power of a. So now we shall now say that 7 to the power of a, because this and this shall cancel, is equals to 140. 2 here once into 280 is 140. So now introduce the log from both sides. So now we shall now have the log of 7 to the power of a is equals to the log of 140. So assuming that we have the log of p to the power of m, this one can be written as m the log of p. So here now we shall now have a log 7. So we can write it by now having a the log of 7 is equals to the log of 140. Divide both sides by the log of 7, then this side also by the log of 7, so that we shall cancel it out. So our value for a is equals to, so a is equals to the log of 140, then all over the log of 7. So factorize it very fast. So now a shall be equals to the log of 140 shall be written as 7 multiplied by 20, because 7 multiplied by 20 is 140, then all over the log of 7. So assuming that we have the log of a multiplied by the log of b, so here according to the law of exponents it shall be the log of a plus the log of b. So here now we shall now have it as a is equals to the log of 7 plus the log of 20, then all over the log of 7. So all over the log of 7. So next now we shall say that, so next is a is equals to divide both sides by the log of 7. So now we shall have log 7, then all over the log of 7, then plus, so log 20 can be written as the log of 4 multiplied by 5 into bracket, then all over the log of 7. The next now is a is equals to log 7 and log 7 shall cancel, so now we shall have 1 plus, so here now we shall have the log of 4, then plus the log of 5, then all over the log of 7. So next now we shall say that the value for a is equals to 1 plus, so log 4 can be written as the log of 2 to the power of 2, then all over the log of 7, so all over the log of 7, then plus log 5, then all over the log of 7. So finally now we shall now have a to be is equals to 1 plus, so this one can be written as 2 log 2, then all over the log of 7, then plus the log of 5 all over the log of 7. So when you have, for example, the log of a, then all over the log of b, this one can be written as the log of a to the base of b. So finally now we shall now say that the answer is a is equals to 1 plus 2 the log of 2 to the base of 7, then plus the log of 5 to the base of 7. So now these are now shall qualify to be our most correct and appropriate answer. So if you really loved how we worked out this maths problem, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. So let's now confirm. So this one is what we had. So we had 7 to the power of a, then plus 7 to the power of a is equals to 280. So instead of writing a, now we shall now write 7 now to the power of 1 plus 2 the log of 2 to the base of 7 plus log of 5 to the base of 7, then plus, then 7 again to the power of 1 plus 2 the log of 2 to the base of 7 plus again the log of 5 to the base of 7. So log 5 to the base of 7, then this one is equals to 280. So next, now we can write it again by saying that 7 to the power of 1 there, then plus means we shall multiply again 7 to the power of, so instead of having 2 log 2 by 7, we shall put 2 to the power of 2, that is log 4 to the base of 7. So log 4 to the base of 7, then the plus means we shall again multiply 7 to the power of log 5 to the base of 7, then plus here. So here now we shall have 7 to the power of 1, then the plus we should multiply 7 the same, the log of 4 to the base of 7, then multiply by again 7 to the power of the log of 5 to the base of 7 is equals to 280. So let's now confirm if it's bring all that. So 7 to the power of 1 is 7, multiplied by the log to the base of 7 shall cancel this 7. So now we shall have 4, then multiply by, so the log to the base of 7 shall cancel this 7, 5, then plus, so 7 to the power of 1 is 7, multiplied by, the log to the base of 7 shall cancel this 7, so we shall now have 4, then multiply by again, the log to the base of 7 shall cancel this 7, so now we shall have 5 is equals to 280. So 7 multiplied by 4 is 28, then 28 multiplied by 5 is 140. So here now we shall have 140 plus the whole of this is also 140 is equals to 280. So what is 140 plus 140? So it is 280 is equals to 280. So meaning that our answer is correct.